Meizu has introduced its latest smartphone, the Lucky 08, highlighting AI as its primary feature. Running on Meizu's Flyme AI OS, the device boasts a range of intelligent capabilities, including automatic call answering, call summarization, and an AI-powered shopping assistant that helps users find the best deals. The Lucky 08 features a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of up to 5000 nits. The device is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset. On the back, the Lucky 08 showcases a unique camera setup dubbed the Star Track camera system. The primary camera is a 108-megapixel sensor with a 2-megapixel macro lens and an LED flash. The phone also packs a substantial 6000 mAh battery with 33-watt charging.